North Wales are having an early taste of summer at the moment, and we'll find some summery weather too across the eastern Mediterranean for the next couple of days. The temperatures similar to those here in Britain, but generally the theme across Europe is unsettled weather. Yesterday's storms brought nearly half the monthly average to Maastricht, and indeed you can see the storm clouds on the satellite picture. And brewing up, we've got a massive cloud across the Pyrenees and southern France now. A lot of thunderstorms too, and that's tied in with a more persistent spell of wet weather, low pressure, and that's going to push its way northwards towards the British Isles in the next 48 hours. So tomorrow afternoon looks pretty wet across northern parts of France, and then that thundery rain, more persistent thundery rain, looks like it'll head our way. Central and southern England and Wales, I think, for late Wednesday into Thursday, and that's something that we'll keep you updated on. Now, today's problem, or this morning's problem at least, has been cloud and fog. Now, that cloud is starting to burn away, as you can see. We've still got some stubborn patches through the Midlands, holding the temperatures down to about 15 or 16 degrees, but 21 in the sunshine in Norwich. We have got more cloud for northern Scotland today, though, and that'll hold the temperatures down here. But elsewhere inland and away from these coastal breezes, temperatures very much on a par with yesterday, with plenty more warm sunshine to come. But as we have seen in recent days, that sunshine will spark off some heavy showers, and we could even see one or two developing a little bit further north today, for example across the Peak District and the Pennines too, even one further north across Scotland. If you are caught in one of those though, and I think the heaviest ones will be across the southern half of the country, there could be some localised torrential downpours and some pretty nasty conditions. But they should die away by the early hours of tomorrow morning, leading to what will be another grey and misty start with some dense fog patches around. Pretty close night in the south, a little more comfortable in the north. And then for many parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, a repeat performances today. A little bit more cloud, I think, for northeastern parts of Scotland, a little bit of drizzle too. But as the cloud burns away in the south and the sun starts to shine, the temperatures rise. Once again, we'll see those showers being triggered. And then, as I say, the chance of some more persistent thundery rain moving up from France later in the afternoon into the evening. And then that will spread its way gradually northwards during the course of Thursday. But still, Scotland and Northern Ireland enjoying a good deal of fine weather until that rain arrives later on the day in Friday. But once we get rid of that system, it looks like high pressure will build for a time, and then Atlantic front starts